Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain how to delete Instagram account 2022 on Android phone. In this tutorial I use Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Tap to your profile picture at the bottom right. Step 2. Tap to the hamburger menu icon at the right corner. Step 3. Tap to setting menu. Step 4. Tap to help, then go to help center. Step 5. Type delete account at the search bar. Step 6. Choose delete your Instagram account. Before we continue, you have to know, when you delete your account you will lose all of your Instagram data. But you still can download the data if you want to save it. Step 7. Click this link if you want to back up your data. Step 8. Tap to delete Instagram account from mobile browser, then click this link. Step 9. Choose your reason why you delete your account. Step 10. Enter your Instagram password, then tap to delete account. You will be given 30 days if you want to cancel the account deletion process permanently. But if you are really sure to delete your account, so you don't need to log into your account for the next 30 days. After that, your account will be completely deleted. Okay, if this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.